Hello everyone, I'm Aris from Unipoe. Today, I'd like to introduce our new industrial PoE switch to you. Before I start, let me introduce one of our characteristic product series to you, Industrial Series. There are many types of industrial series for you to choose, like Industrial Arm Management Switch, Industrial Magnetic Switch, Industrial AT or BT Standard PoE Switch, Industrial Ethernet Switch, and so on. To start with, let's take a brief look at it. Firstly, its PoE power budget can reach 180 watt, and it also can support IEEE 802.3 AFAT standard. Now, let's look at the ports. It consists of 8 gigabit PoE ports. Each port is up to 30 watt, 12 gigabit SFP ports, and related indicators. For these two buttons, it means the machine can support one key fast ring network by the fast ring button, and one key separation network storm by SCP button, featuring redundancy and high reliability. Next, for the casing, its imperfect heat dissipation effect with the high-energy aluminum non-loop heat conduction groove shell design. Also, the small casing with great appearance can save your space and shipping cost. What's more, it will cost low power consumption because it's in no-fine design. Let's see the PCB of it. You can see that it uses industrial-grade components, which can greatly improve the service life of products. Now, let's see how it works. Firstly, for the installation, it's in DIN rail installation design, easy and quick installation, and it even can move on the DIN rail. Next, I'll focus on the features of this model. First of all, it supports traditional STP/RSTP layer 2 link protection technology and supports manual aggregation and dynamic aggregation, which increase link bandwidth and improve link reliability. Furthermore, it supports various management modes such as SSH, console, and telnet, which could supply flexible and convenient management and maintenance and satisfy your management needs. More important, it can support cloud management. When you select the MQTT configure button and enable the MQTT client, then you can see the detailed cloud management information here. Then you can check the information you want. Last but not least, it has powerful layer 2 features like VLAN and network loop detection, and other terms of layer 2 features, which could offer you excellent security performance. That's all of my introduction to PM3020GSMI version 1 today. This is Aris. If you want to know more detailed product information or need any requirements, please don't hesitate to visit our website at this or contact us at info@unipoe.com. Thanks for watching.